Okay, I just got this car this morning to work on the car AC. I've been talking with a customer previously, and I got this one the other day, which is having the same issue, but this one, the Honda 2011, is not severe as this one here. So I'm just about getting the compressor off. Watch closely and just I hope you can see the smoke coming out of that place. So you can see it is I am still going to uninstall the compressor and still look into the system and see how far the damage has gone. That you can see bringing yellow, black, and this pipe is heating up. So I'm making this video to show some other people who their system have experienced a black death. I'll have to loosen this pipe and some other so I can take a very good view of. Lose the compressor for the 2012 Corolla. You can see the level of black death, aka virus attack on the system. So this compressor is way gone. You can see there is no saving for this. There is no saving for this compressor other than replacement. It's boiling inside. You can see it foaming inside there, like as if it's some kind of a live thing inside there. I'm even scared, though I'm still going to lose it and see more. Okay, oh, you're seeing the boy removing smoke, but I'm sure we're gonna get more updates when we get it opened up. Oh my goodness. Easy. Okay, gently. Take it off. Oh my goodness. This is a disaster. So guys, virus attack is very dangerous. Anywhere the oil spread, the system is getting hot. Okay. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Move back so take it off. Shit. Jesus Christ. Okay guys, this is what I'm getting from the compressor. So I cover it up. Seems like it looked more like as if it's fire that burnt it. So you can even see the back cover. The smoke won't allow me to see it. But there is no any hope to this compressor. Working on this system is gonna take a complete total rejuvenation. I can't get put on that our cooking gas. Okay, you can see why we call this thing a virus attack. It's sick deep into it. It condemned every seal that is there, and the more it receives oxygen, the more it reacts and damage the system the more. So look at it here, burning like fire, and the heat is increasing. I just added some of our flushing agents to it, and it's warming up and seriously reacting. It's okay. So hey,